A fraction shows part of a whole. In the fraction 8/12, the top number, 8, is the numerator. The bottom number, 12, is the denominator. The numerator tells how many parts you have, and the denominator tells how many equal parts there are total. Simplifying a fraction means making the numbers smaller while keeping the same value. To simplify, divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, or GCF. First, list the factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Now list the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The common factors are 1, 2, and 4. The greatest common factor is 4. Now divide both numbers by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 8/12 equals 2/3. Check if 2/3 can be simplified again. The only common factor of 2 and 3 is 1, so 2/3 is fully simplified.